Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a 2015 GMC Terrain. Begin by warming the engine for about 5 minutes, then turn it off and let it cool slightly. Loosen the oil cap to speed drainage, lift the vehicle safely, and place a drain pan under the oil pan bolt. Have rags ready to clean spills and double-check you have the correct oil grade. Remove the drain plug carefully and let the oil flow into the pan until it slows to a drip. While draining, remove the oil filter with a filter wrench and let any trapped oil drain out. Clean the drain area and reinstall the plug using a new crush washer, tightening to the recommended torque. Dispose of the used oil properly at a recycling center or auto shop that accepts motor oil. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support future uploads. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, great for mechanic work and long days on your feet. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Before installing the new oil filter, coat the rubber gasket with fresh oil and hand tighten the filter until snug plus a 3/4 turn. Lower the vehicle and add the correct oil amount, checking the owner manual for capacity and grade. Start the engine and let it idle for a minute, then shut it off and recheck the dipstick to reach the proper level. Clean any drips and record the service date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.